Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations and Happy New Year to all of you. This project is 2024 first project and I'm very excited to share with you all. Today I have bring a wedding project. I'm going to teach you how to create this adorable wedding money bag or pouch. This is pretty easy to do, but you definitely have to need to learn instructions and step-by-step process. This project is more special because this is made out of a old wedding dress which is almost like a 28 years old, and this bag going to be gift from mother to daughter, which is making more special. Before heading to our today's sewing project, if you're new to Cyrus Creations, just go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking idea projects. If you already a regular subscriber, I'm sure you already enjoying all those wonderful projects over here. So let's go ahead and start it. Pouch, bag, or purse, we needed, I have cut two circles, one lining, one original satin silk fabric. This patch I cut it from the dress because I want to keep this embroidered patch lace one. Long is 19 by 12 inches. This lace is optional. I also cut from the wedding dress. Then I have a two tassels which I will be attaching with this robe, or you can even attach make like your own binders or piping, for top of the bag. Then for inside lining, I'm using a same satin silk fabric, but you can use any other lining fabric, which is 19 inches long by 18 inch. So simply we're just going to sew wrong side outside, right side inside, and we are just first going to stitch these two together. Then we will be open, and then we will be stitching this together. So let's head to our sewing machine now. After stitching these two panels together, now I just have to fold them, and we are going to make a straight stitch. Okay, so this panel is ready. Now we're just going to flip inside out and bring this lining close to this edge here. All right. So if you notice, so far it's looking nice shape right now, okay? And these two panels I'm going to stitch around the edges, and then we will be attaching on the bottom here, and also we are going to iron press on top of this edge. In that way I'm going to make two stitches for our drawstring, this one, and also I will hand stitch this beautiful patch here, the lace. So that will be looking nice. So let's go ahead, and we're gonna iron press this one first so we can have a little crispy look. So I just have an iron pressed here, and I will be making one stitch on a 2 inches distance and the other stitch on a 1.5 inch distance to have our drawstring line going on here. So that's the update, and I had the pin. I'm going to stitch from here and then also around this circle. Let's head to our sewing machine now, and also I will be stitching together in the same time while I will be stitching these. now this is how I'm going to attach the circle on the bottom, and then I will show you the rest. As you can see, it's done nicely, but if it's optional, if you want to add a binder around these stitches to protect the satin silk fabric. If you don't want to, it's optional, that's fine, because this will be inside, so it's not a big deal. So here's our bag, is almost ready. I'm not going to use this lace because it's gonna make it more harder when it's gonna be together here, so I'm skipping this one because it's already looking nice without that thing, because we have a patch on both sides. So now I'm going to make a cut here. Take the stitching part where you had to stitch the both panels and make sure you have an even up here, okay? Remember where we have a 1/2 inch distance stitches, 2 stitches. So we are going to make a one hole just with the one patch. We are going to make a hole with the one upper layer fabric, not the bottom. Just make a little hole here. This hole we need for our drawstring. Okay, and you got it. That's it. A simple cut. This we will be using for our loops, and the same thing here as well with the stitch, just the upper layer of fabric you have to do. Okay, all right, that's good. And my next goal is these tassels I want hang like here, okay? They will be hanging like here, but this robe I will be inserting inside. We'll make one circle from here, and then another side on this side, okay? So let's insert this inside. So I have here these 28 inches long strings. I just had to cut little extras, so in that way when I'm tying the knot I have some extra on my hand. And then I just gonna insert from here as well. So that's what I want when I'm inserting. One will go on the back, at the front like this, okay? So let's do from one side, and then I will be doing one other side as well. And now I have to do on this side. See that's what I had wanted. These tassels should be hang like this here, okay? Because I have enough opening. When I'm gonna close it, it's gonna do like this, okay? So that's perfect. Now what I'm going to do, tie here and make sure the knot is inside, and also I will be trying to stitch with the machine, so this knot shouldn't be opened, okay? Now I'm going to do other side as well, and I will be using this tassel on this side, okay, in the same way, and I will be showing you the rest once I'm finishing. And as you can see, we have created this gorgeous wedding money bag. Especially like from the bottom, I create a round shape so it's easy, even it's standing on a table or a surface. I hope you have loved this project, and with all the many details which I have shared related with this project to make this project more neat and nice. I especially love the tassels too, because they are right on the tip of those holes I have made, so we don't have any other string showing off. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project. If you really like our today's sewing project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and your projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are, and have an always abundant life. Bye.